Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you're gonna see how to delete call history in Snapchat. So I'm heading over to the Snapchat application first. Once you are there, head over to the index inbox, and in here head over to any conversation, call them up, and once it is done you will find a notification in here. So let me call again. So I'm hanging it up. So as you can see, a missed call is showing. So if I want to delete it, I'll keep tapped on it, and here tap on delete, and here tap on OK to confirm, tap on delete chat. So yeah, as you can see, the call history on the Snapchat conversation is now deleted. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you